Okay, right here, I've got my 2 of the 3 pots of moringa that I had last year. I brought them inside to overwinter them. They look really, really sad. But, and I did intend originally to up-pot them first before putting them back outside, but it's going to rain today and be overcast for the rest of the week, which makes it a perfect time to harden them off. So I just real quick did the pull test. This poor one failed. As you can see, this one, and this one passed. So did this one, and this one. The pull test is where you grab the stem of a plant that you can't tell if it's dormant or dead and give it a firm tug. You don't pull with all your might. You just give it a little firm tug. And if the roots stay in the soil, then the plant is still alive and it will probably come back. If the plant comes out by the roots like this poor one did, as you can see, all the roots are dead. So this came out. But the rest of these are still alive. So these are going outside in the rain because then I don't have to water them. They've only been watered once since I brought them in a couple weeks ago because I was going to start activating them. So this is me gardening in the rain. And I'm literally just pushing these. And there we go.